You are a pro at this. I love doing that.
I don't know.
And now you're sleepy as well?
Hmm? Well, she can just fall asleep here. Do I need to, or do you want to do that?
So you use a headlight comb for that, eh?
Yeah, it works really well.
You shouldn't have any issue because no bugs.
So some of them, because they aren't really bathed when they first come out, there's a while. Sometimes
Yeah.
this is when you all see it come out and it's not a, what was it, what you say?
Look at her.
She's like, oh yes, I love this. All you gotta do just as good as a job.
Oh. A little tingly thing. You're supposed to scream during the bath.
I don't know how she does it.
Like, that's what I'm surprised about. So that's what's gonna warn you that she's going.
She's a good girl.
Surprising.
You're a good girl, aren't you?
She's gonna be a water baby now. That's for sure.
You'd be like Uncle. Uncle's in the Navy.
Oh, really water baby then.
Well, it looks like Mommy doesn't have to worry about you getting in the pool in the summer. You'll probably love it.
Do you have
She's
one
a
or?
pro swimmer.
No, they have at the pool that I used to go to, they've got like a little baby pool.
Oh.
So I think you're enjoying that a little much.
What was it? Do you want to get the towel and
Oh, yes.
Sure, my bad.
She don't have
Yeah,
that
she
one.
enjoys that. We're trying you up now.
Yeah, I liked being wet.
Put me back in! Put me back in!
You just have that mom aura.
Alright.
Are you recording this or is it us? Wow. Now to get naked.
Now we're good.
Now we're
You
gonna
poop
cry.
again? See if you poop again, eh?